Why do 80% of drivers miss these essential spring car tips? Let's make sure you're not one of them. Cold weather can be brutal on your car, so as temperatures rise, it's time for a thorough spring maintenance check. Start by checking your battery. If it's sluggish, it might be time for a swap. Top off all your fluids, from windshield washer to brake fluid, and don't forget those tires. Check the pressure and tread to ensure they're road ready. Lastly, inspect your brakes and suspension. Your safety depends on them. Now let's talk about giving your car a well-deserved spa day. Winter roads leave behind all sorts of grime. Wash and wax the exterior to protect that paint job. Dive inside for a deep clean. Trust me, your nose will thank you. And while you're at it, replace those air filters for a breath of fresh air. Planning some epic spring road trips? Equip yourself with must-have accessories like a reliable diagnostic tool, a portable jump starter, and a dash cam for safety. And let's not forget improving fuel efficiency. Use a fuel system cleaner, check tire alignment and balance, and lighten your load by removing unnecessary weight. Finally, upgrade your tech for a smarter, safer drive. Think wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto adapters, blind spot mirrors, and backup cameras. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your vehicle, ensuring it's in peak condition for the months ahead. Stay tuned for more expert automotive tips from Drive Smart Academy. Happy driving!